I'm Matt. I'm a mechatronics engineering student who's been obsessed with building things ever since I was a kid. I made robotic arms, go-karts, and even a 3D printable rocket engine. But this summer I'm doing something different. Every day I'm waking up, hitting record, and building something new. With nothing but an idea, my laptop, and AI as my co-pilot. We call it vibe coding. It's not traditional coding. I'm not starting from a blank file and writing everything line by line. Instead I prompt AI, copy, paste, tweak, break things, fix them, and keep going. Vibe coding is about letting creativity lead and letting AI handle the grunt of the work. It's fast, messy, and honestly kind of magic. This series isn't a tutorial, it's not polished, it's a behind the scenes look at the process of creating something from nothing, every single day. Some days I'll build tools, other days I'll experiment, explore, or just mess around with an idea that makes me curious. The goal? To build momentum, to get better, to push limits, and to prove that with the tools we have today, anyone with the right mindset and consistency can ship stuff fast. So if you're into AI, coding, or just enjoy watching someone make cool stuff with no roadmap, you're in the right place. This is Vibe Coding. Good morning guys, day 24 today. Yes, I am wearing the same shirt from yesterday. I only wore it for half the day and I had a shower right afterwards. It's perfectly clean, trust me. Anyway, I'm feeling very hungry, so I'm gonna go get some food. I just got word that my video that I uploaded yesterday does not have sound, so I need to go recover those files and refix that video. So I'm gonna do that while the tea is cooking up. Reminder, be smarter, Matt. Look at the video footage. I did it for the last couple of days because I had that one instance like maybe 4 days ago where I had the same issue. And ever since then, except for last night, I would look at the video before I sent it out and be like, oh, is there audio? Perfect, good. It always had audio though. And then again today, no audio. Anyway, this is my life now. I'm a complete buffoon again. Here we are, retrieving my old video footage. This will take a little while. Okay, it's done. It's now 12, so it took a lot longer than expected. We haven't had breakfast, and I haven't really shot much video footage because I needed the SD cards to be out of the camera, or basically I couldn't record with the SD cards that I usually use because maybe there's some video on there that I need to recover, and if I were to use it in my camera, I could potentially overwrite that file or that data. So to play it safe, you don't use the SD cards if there's a chance that you might need to recover something from there. But that's all done now. I've got sound, uploaded the video. Let's go get some breakfast. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start creating a couple more lessons, clean up some of the ones I already have, just do some more behind the scenes stuff on the app right now. I'm poop, guys. There's a couple of bugs and improvements I wanted to make to the app. I've been working on it over the last couple hours. Haven't made progress. I'm gonna give it one more try, and then if that doesn't work, I'm gonna take a break and figure something else out. Something else to do. Okay, it's not working. I need to get my mind out of this. The weather isn't great, at least it's overcast, it looks a little windy and cold, but let's go for a bike ride. Okay, we got inside, we're on the bike, let's do this thing. I think we're gonna go into the woods and do a little bit of like mountain biking. See what happens, if they don't break anything, we come out of it alive. Bit of a letdown. The path I was hoping to take It's no bikes, so I'd find another path. But we'll go find one. Okay, I got some news. Why does the camera feed look different? Okay, story time, guys. I almost had to end my YouTube career. I was driving along the road and I saw a speed bump. I was like, hell yeah, let me hit that. So I drive as fast as I could towards it. I pop up the front when we go over it. I get both wheels off the ground. I come down, crash. I look down. My camera is smashing towards the ground, and I was like, oh no. So I turned back around, picked it up. It's pretty dinged up right now. And I tried to turn it on. It wouldn't turn on, or it would turn on, but it couldn't gimbal itself. And I was like, oh no. I tried a couple more times, couldn't get it going back. So I drove all the way home, and I was just going to look for a new camera, but then I was like, let me try this again. And it turns out that it's just bent. So I tried to bend it back into shape. There's a couple of other things wrong with it. I'm using it to record right now. But it's recording, which is a good thing. So let's go. But we might need to buy a new camera now. So, update. I'm very hungry though, so I'm going to go get some food. And we'll think about this later. Okay, we're gonna call it there for a day. It's a bit past 9. My code still doesn't work. I'm just trying to make a couple of improvements and fix some bugs that I saw in the app. I'm working on it all day, but no progress. And once again, I saved a copy of the file just before I started working on it, and then I started working on the code, but I just realized that the file that I had saved hadn't fully saved by the time I started working on it. So I actually don't have a working copy of my app right now. So hopefully I can get the code sorted out sometime soon, because otherwise I don't actually have working code. What you see on the app is what you get, and there's no way to actually like re-download the code that you uploaded. So it would really suck if I can't get this refixed. But yeah, I don't usually like to end off the days with code that doesn't work, just because when I come to it the next day, I often forget what I was working on or what sort of prompts I was giving it, because that can really, like, AI can in a split second change your code just like that. And so if you aren't on track of it, on top of it, understanding what exactly it's doing, you can get so lost and so messed up so quickly. And so I guess that's why it's scary, but it makes it fun too. So anyway, that's gonna be it. End of day 24.